break. Penalty is about to whistle. On left side, and the five seconds. Appreciation by the audience. Natin ang very interesting to the Manang seems to be winning the race. And the Manang have reached the final phase.